is Aviva. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to do a cover for you today, a special request from a special friend.
Hi, it's me, Willow.
I love this song too. I haven't learned it yet, so I'm going to work it through for you all. I don't know why I do that. I should really practice it before I perform it on my YouTube channel.
Oh, how cool is this?
This version of True Colors starts with a singing bowl. You with the sad eyes, don't be discouraged. Oh, I realize it's hard to take courage in a world full of people. You can't lose sight of it all, in the darkness inside you can make you feel so small. But I see your true colors shining through. Yes, I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors are beautiful like a rainbow. Show me a smile, then don't be unhappy. Can't remember when and I saw you laughing. If this world makes you crazy and you've taken all you can bear, you can call me up, because you know I'll be there. Cause I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors are beautiful like a rainbow. Love you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe, hit the bang button, subscribe, notifications, hit that bang button, and hit the like button. Thank you. We see your true colors.
Comment song suggestions below.
That's right. comments and suggestions and cover requests. Oh, that would be nice. Namaste. Aviva.